Hello student. Okay, so in this video, I will show you how you can import files from one folder. Okay, so you will import the folder that include a few numbers of files. Okay, all right. So now first you open a new workbook and go to the data. Okay, so data ribbon, and then click the get data here and go to the from file, select from file, and you will see there is a from folder. Okay, so click from folder. All right, so then go to your folder that you save that file. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, right. So this is a folder that you want to add in the data model. Okay, right. So just want to show you that in this folder, um, in this annual sales data, we have 2, 4, 6, 7 files. Okay, sales record from 2018 to 2024. And remember that when you want to add, okay, sorry, before we add this one, I just want to show you that, okay, right. So this is the every all file must have a same format. Okay, same column, same header. Okay, so date unit symmetry. This is 2019, and then this is 2018 data. Okay, so same column, same number of columns, same header, same type of data. Okay, you cannot add combined files if every file have a different column, different format, different type of data. Okay. Alright, so now go back to the new workbook. Okay, empty workbook. Go to the from file and then from folder. Click this folder and click open. Connecting. Okay, so you get this windows. From these windows, okay, so they have a combine, load, and transform data. Okay, so now just click a transform data here. Okay, because you want before we combine, we want to do some form editing first. Okay. All right. So in this, you can see from queries, you have annual sales queries, a few numbers of columns here. Okay. But the things that when we combine, we just need this one column only, content only. Okay, so this one we will remove all these others column. So what we can do, you can remove one by one column, or what you can do is that select this column that you want to remain. Okay, right click and remove other column. Choose a remove other column. Okay. So click. Okay. So now you have a remove. You have only one column. So in this content, you can see that from the header here, you will see icon, two arrow icon. Okay. So when you bring your cursor there, you can see there is a combine files. This is means that this icon is to combine files. Then click here. Okay. Just click there. And then you will get this window. Okay, combine files window, and click data. Okay, so this is the data here. Okay, sample. Okay, just preview few numbers. Okay, so first file, then just click OK. Yeah, you already get the data that combine all the dates. Okay, all right, all from 7 files. Okay, all right. So let's say, okay, that's it. I think that's it. Then we can, after we combine, then I just refresh. If it asks you to refresh, then I just refresh the source of data. Okay, and then click close and load, and choose close and load too. Okay, and remember, in these windows, import data windows, make sure you click only create connection, because table ni you will have a table, you get appear table, but now we don't want table, we want to add this to the data model. Okay, connection and data model, and click OK. Okay, then you can see on your right pane here, queries and connection. Okay, so there will be a annual sales tables here. Okay, so now let's say you want to create a table, you want to summarize a tables from you create a report for this table. Okay, go to the insert and then click a pivot tables. Okay, pivot table, click arrow, not click a pivot table icon, but arrow from data model. Okay, so choose where the location that you want to put your pivot table. Okay, doesn't matter where you want to put. It depends how you want where you want to put. Okay, or you want to put the new worksheet as it depends to you. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, so now you have this report area. Okay, on right pane, you have a pivot table fields. Okay, so if you click any empty cursor, you will get a queries connection pane. And again, if you click a pivot table area, there will be a pivot table fields. Okay, all right. So let's say we want to create annual sales. I want to put a date in a row, so just click and drag. Okay. All right. So this is the good things about the pivot tables. It will automatically create the hierarchy. Okay. Hierarchy for the dates. Okay. So when you have date column, when you add to data model, when you want to create a pivot table, so automatically it will create the hierarchy. Okay. It will create based on your data. It will create a group for year, quarter and monthly without you don't have to do it manually, automatically. Okay, right? So let's say you are you not dragging the dates. Let's say you just click date here. Okay, click date and the dates go to the column. Okay, column. So this is how we don't it's very rare that we create a table using a header as a years. Okay, all right. So if you want to remove, you want to change it to row. Okay, either you go and drag again, undo, or let's say I want to remove date. I don't want to show date. Okay, so let me see how is it date, quarter, January, and then you have a date. Okay, so usually when you want to summarize, we don't summarize a date. Okay, so click an arrow and choose a remove fields. Okay, so no more date. So up to months. Okay, so if you want to remove months, then you just click months here. Okay, so no months here. Okay, so up to quarter. So it depends how you want to report your tables. Okay, all right. So now date months to the row area. So then you bring the date area here and then quarter. Okay, so it should be in sequence lah, year, quarter, and months. Okay. All right. Then you want to view as a unit sold. Okay, unit sold. Drag the unit sold. Put it in the drop in the values area. Now you get one pivot tables. Okay, that summarize sum of units sold for every year, every quarter, and every month. Okay, okay. Or you want to change it to an average. So right click and summarize value, and you cannot click average. Or you want to put a count. Okay, count. So count. Okay, so this is numbers of sales made in January, number of sales made in February, okay, the frequency, okay, right. So it depends how uh, you want to display your value, okay, all right.